Okay, can we just take a second for this transformation? This is 20 days on EllieVate Skin Plus. And trust me, no one was more shocked than I was when I saw this. EllieVate Skin Plus is a prescription strength skincare formula designed to repair, brighten, and rejuvenate your skin at the cellular level. Unlike most over-the-counter products, this combines the clinically proven prescription ingredients with regenerative peptides to actually trigger collagen production and cell turnover. The result? Brighter, smoother, firmer, and more even-toned skin, and in my case, results you can see in under 3 weeks. Here's why people are obsessed with EllieVate Skin Plus. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It supports collagen production for firmer, plumper skin. It fades hyperpigmentation, targets dark spots, sun damage, and uneven tone. And it brightens dull skin, gives you that natural healthy glow, smooths texture, helps with rough patches and acne scarring. It supports regenerative healing. Peptides nourish and repair skin from the inside out. Listen, I've tried everything, creams, serums, you name it. And this is the first time I've seen my skin change this quickly, this visibly, with our simple to use gel formula that goes on perfectly and smoothly. My mom, who's in her 80s, who's been a skincare connoisseur her entire life, says it's the nicest skincare product she's ever used. And believe me, that's saying something. EllieVate Skin Plus is available exclusively through Ellie MD, and here's why that matters. It's prescription formula compounded in a 5013A pharmacy so that you go through licensed telehealth providers to ensure that it's safe and customized for your skin. Our dermatologists check your skin out with a photo that you send, and because it's guided and personalized, you get professional level results without stepping foot into a dermatologist's office. And honestly, for this level of transformation, the convenience is unmatched. So if you've been frustrated with stubborn dark spots, uneven texture, or just feeling like your skin's lost that glow, EllieVate Skin Plus might be exactly what you've been looking for. So I'm going to drop my Ellie MD link below so you can check it out. It's on the skincare section of our website. So if you love seeing real results like this, hit like and subscribe. I've got more before and afters and deep dives coming that you won't want to miss.